Tired of drowning in a sea of paper bank statements? Let's transform that chaos into organized financial insights in under 2 minutes. First, you'll need your bank statement PDF. Open it up. And we'll start by identifying the key pieces of information: the transaction date, a description of the transaction, and the amount, whether it's a deposit or a withdrawal. Now let's create our Excel template. Open a new Excel spreadsheet, and in the first row, create clear column headers. We'll label them date, description, and amount. The next step is to manually transfer the data. Go through your PDF statement entry by entry for each transaction. Carefully type the date into the date column, the description into the description column, and the amount into the amount column. Be mindful of whether it's a positive number for deposits or a negative number for withdrawals. Continue this process for every transaction listed on your statement. The more accurate you are here, the more reliable your organized data will be. Take your time to ensure each piece of information is in the correct cell. Once you've entered all your transactions, it's a good idea to format your columns. Select the amount column and apply a currency format. This makes your financial figures easy to read and understand at a glance. Now for the magic. At the bottom of your amount column, you can create a simple formula to automatically calculate your total deposits and withdrawals, giving you a quick overview of your net activity for the period. By consistently applying this method, you'll build a powerful, searchable, and analyzable record of your finances, making budgeting, tracking expenses, and preparing for tax season a breeze. You've just turned that PDF chaos into financial clarity.